Tutorial Master comes with a set of pre-built markers, but they won't necessarily match the style of your game. In this video, you'll learn how to customize different marker types, pointer, highlighter, and a pop-up by creating them from scratch. With that said, let's get started. For pointer marker, we need to create a game object with an image component. Next, we'll add a pointer component located at Tutorial Master, Markers, Pointer Marker. You might notice that we got a bunch of new components added. They're needed for markers to function properly. Next, turn off Raycast Target, Interactable, and Blocks Raycasts options. This is to prevent user input from being blocked by our pointer. Setting up sprite for our pointer is pretty straightforward. It should be facing right and its anchors should be centered. Assign the sprite to the marker and tweak its appearance to your liking. We'll then finish up creating a marker prefab. Feel free to skip ahead to see how to assign it to the marker pool. For highlighter marker, you only need to make sure that the sprite has correctly configured borders. This ensures that only the center scales, keeping edges crisp when the marker resizes. We then proceed to create a highlighter marker game object, similarly to how we did it for our pointer. Make sure that the image type is set to sliced. You might also need to tweak pixels per unit multiplier field until the highlighter looks good. Add a highlighter marker component and disable raycast blocking just like we did for pointer. Finally, create a highlighter prefab and we're done. For pop-up marker, we'll create a simple UI with text and a custom background. We'll keep it simple as we don't need any additional text or buttons. Once done, add a suitable component which can be found at Tutorial Master, Markers, Pop-up Marker. Unlike other components, Pop-up Marker expects you to assign text components to work properly. Pop-up Marker supports header, message body, and a button with custom text. All fields are optional, so we can leave some of them empty. We can now start replacing built-in prefabs with our newly made ones. In your Tutorial Master game object, go to the Configuration section. Once you're in the marker pooling category, select your desired marker and replace old prefabs with your new ones. And we're done. You don't need to worry about changing your tutorials or stages. Now let's see how it turned out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by email or by social media. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.